Well, hi there, folks. My name's Cameron Hansen with Lean Strategies International LLC, and in this week's video, we're going to answer the question, what is ABC inventory control? Let's jump right in. ABC inventory control is a frequently used method of control for inventory. The ABC analysis divides inventory into three categories, with A items being the most important and C items being the least important. This inventory control method is based on the ABC classification system. And that's it. ABC inventory control. Well, if you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comments section or in the upcoming assignments section of this course. We'll see you next time right here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.